up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialist, coming to you with another tool unboxing. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so I've got a package here. Looks like it's from A1 Tools. So let's see what we've got in here. I've got a feeling I know what it is, but let's check it out. Got my knife this time, so I am prepared. Gotta be safe. All right. Looks like we've got a Dent Reaper set. We've got the black, longer ratcheting handle. This is going to be an awesome combo with the John Hiley handle. This thing is a beast. Got another one. So I'm going to give you a little backstory here. John from Grey Duck Dent Repair was generous enough to donate some of these tools for my live show that I have on YouTube on Thursday nights. Once a month we get a tool manufacturer to donate a set of tools or a tool just to give back to the industry. So he donated a set of these Reapers so I can give them out throughout the year. So here's one of the giveaways. The baby blue. Look at this. Love this tool. Works really, really well. Small diameter, ratcheting handle, super sharp again. Another baby blue. This is one for the giveaway. And a little red. So this little red, I have his original without the ratcheting handle. I'm actually taking this one and adding it to the giveaway just because I want to be able to give away a whole set of these. I'll probably end up purchasing the ratcheting handle one since I have the original handle that wasn't ratcheting. But this one will be the giveaway. Doesn't look like there's any more in there. So I don't know if you guys know anything about these Dent Reapers. Super thick shaft, shaved halfway throughout. 4-inch kick here, super sharp tip. These things work really, really well on the CX-9 Mazdas. That's the original reason John made this tool. This is his original. The little red works really, really well indoors. Just as a standard door tool with the ratcheting handle. Come around, sharp, enough kick to get in there to give yourself enough leverage. But this is also a really, really, really good tool. Shaved halfway through, round stock here, ratcheting handle. Then the baby blue. Small enough to go in those little holes in the tops of the doors by the handle to get to the top of those doors by the belt molding. Super sharp tip again, shaved halfway through, round stock here, ratcheting handle. They're just really, really well made. He put a lot of thought into these. John's going to be a guest on my live show here the night that we're going to be giving one of these away. So appreciate you watching on this unboxing. It's a short and quick and easy one. Can't speak any more about the Dent Reapers. Strong, good quality, great shave. Alright guys, so the Dent Reaper that I'm super excited about is this one. The reason I'm super excited about it is I'm going to be able to team this up with the John Hiley handle. And this thing is going to be a game changer. So the way you do that is I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver. It's got this little flathead piece. Take the screwdriver, gonna pop it. It does have some Loctite on it. You're going to remove the spring and the bolt. And you're going to just take this handle off. Comes off as one piece. sure you guys have seen the videos. We're going to take this John Hiley handle. We are just going to insert it in here. This is going to be the game changer. Can't wait to use this thing. The pure drive, the pure length, the beefiness of this tool, nothing like it out there. So make sure, guys, make sure you get yourself some of these Dent Reapers. And remember, guys, keep it real. I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.